Hello guys, welcome to the Coding Yodhas. So in previous video we saw the pandas iloc method. In this video we are going to see the pandas loc method. So let's start. So first we will import pandas as pd. Then let's create a data frame. We are going to use pd.dataframe for creating data frame. And let's pass a dictionary. So first column name will be name. Let's pass some names here. Mary, Joseph, Adam. Second column will be age. So 20, 21, 23. And let's call third column as gender. And we will pass female, male, male. That's all. Press shift plus enter to run this cell. Okay, sorry, there was a syntax error here. I missed a comma. Am I missing something? Okay, yeah. So let's see how this data frame is. So it is coming up like this. So the main difference between iloc and loc is in iloc you can only use indexes of columns, but in loc method what you can do is you can use column names or labels also. So column name, or you can call it column name or column label, anything you can directly pass it and you can get the data. So let's start. We'll call df.loc. We will pass the row number. Suppose I'm going to pass this one, second row, so it will be 1, comma the column name. So we can call it directly by using column name. So it will be name. Press enter. You can get it right. We called for first column. For first column I want the column name, so it will be Joseph. Second thing we can do do it like this. We want all of the rows but only column age. So we can do is first positions for rows, second position for column. So in first position we can pass colon, that means bring all of the rows, and in second column we can pass, I'm going to bring age, so we'll press age. Press shift plus enter and we get the output, correct? So we get this column. Suppose if we want to bring multiple columns, so what we're going to do, we will do again bring all the rows, comma array of columns that we want to bring. So suppose I want to bring name column and gender column. We will do this and then we'll press shift plus enter and we get it, right? So entirely this is the only difference between loc and loc. LOC and iloc. So in iloc we were passing the indexes and in LOC we are passing the label names. That's all, guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.